it's me, Marvy. I've got a great new video I'd like to share with you today. It's called Alphabet Flipbook! Woohoo! I love flip books, and this one is all about the letters in the alphabet. Check it out.
The Alphabet Book. A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Frog. G. Guitar. H. Hat. I. Ice cream. J. Jellyfish. K. Kite. L. Lion. M. Mouse. N. Narwhal. O. Octopus. P. Penguin. Q. Quail. R. Robot. S. Socks. T. Turtle. U. Umbrella. V. Volcano. W. Walrus. X. Xylophone. Y. Yak. Z. Zebra.